Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and today it is time for another Melt Cosmetics mystery box unboxing. It has been a while since I did one of these. Yeah, so we are gonna see what I got. If you like unboxings, makeup, indie brands, any or all of the above, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you haven't already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. I upload twice a week. It's totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back again on the channel in the future. All right, let's get into the unboxing. So I've done one of these boxes, like videos unboxing before. I'll leave it linked in the cards if you haven't seen it before. And yeah, we're gonna see what I got. This box was $25, and they were running a deal where it was free shipping. So I think there's 4 or 5 items in here. Here's what the inside looks like. Now, I'll also leave linked my recent video if you haven't seen it of 10 palettes I almost bought recently but ended up not buying. And 2 of those were the Melt She's and Parties and Smoke Sessions, which I really hope is in here because I know it said that a palette was one of the things that would be in this box. Those palettes are, I think, the smaller ones are like 38, something like that. So that'd be a really good deal just for the palette, let alone the other stuff in the box. But if I don't get something, like there's many melt palettes I don't have, so if I don't get one of those, it's fine. And if I get one I already have, then I'm 12 subscribers away from 500, and that's when I'm going to do my next giveaway for you all. So stick around, stay subscribed, and you could win the palette if it's not one I already have. If I don't have it, I'm keeping it. So let's see. I think that's all the details. I'm going to try to reach in here without really looking because I don't want to spoil it for myself. Mystery boxes, like, that's the fun of it. All right, so first up here, we've got the All Day Everyday Eyeliner. I don't think I've tried eyeliner before from Melt. I knew it said eyeliner was coming in here, but I thought it would be one of their, like, pot liners. Let's see, does it say a shade? 1987 Ultra Matte Eyeliner. I don't know, I guess the shade is 1987. It's got a little squiggle on the box that looks kind of brown. Oh, that definitely looks black. It does not look brown in person unless it's like a deep, let's see, just do a little on my hand. No, that's definitely a black liner. But it does say it's in shade 1987. Interesting. So like on the box, it's got this little squiggle right there that looks brown. So that's why I thought it might be brown, but it's definitely not that color. It says it's an ultra matte eyeliner. So yeah, I have plenty of eyeliners, but I mean, I'll use it at some point, you know, I'll get to it eventually. I have been doing a lot of shadow liners like what I'm wearing today, but occasionally I break out just a regular, like a pencil liner. I don't generally do black on the waterline. I think it really closes off my eyes and frankly ages me. If I do anything in the waterline, it's like I did today. This is the ColourPop, what is this, cream gel pencil in shade Meadow from the Bambi collection, something like that in the waterline. I think helps enlarge and open my eyes and make me look more youthful instead of aging me. So yeah, liner's the first thing we got here. I definitely feel the palette, but I'm trying to not like look at it and see what else is in here. I think this stuff might be bubble wrapped together, like the non-palette stuff, so I'm trying to find the seam of it to undo it without looking and spoiling it for myself. What is this? Okay, we've got a cream blush light. Okay, I've heard great things about the cream blush lights, but I actually don't own any of these, so this is pretty exciting. This is in shade Daydreamer. Let's see what it looks like. It kind of looks like their blush light. It looks like their other blush light components like I've gotten before these. This is from, I think, my past mystery box. This is more like a highlighter. This is in Ghost Light, but it's the same kind of shape component, and they both are called blush light, but this one says cream blush light. So here's the component. Again, this is in shade Daydreamer. Oh, made in Italy. Ooh, okay, so this is like a brown, pretty rich color. I'm sure I like a brown blush. I like a brown blush though, so I can probably sheer it out. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit here. Yeah, that's very creamy. That'd be nice with a sponge, I think, to put on. That looks like it's gonna be sheer enough that even on my fair skin, I'll be able to make this shade work as kind of like a bronzer blush kind of duo. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. I've never tried cream products from Melt. The liner, I could like take it or leave it, honestly, and be fine without it, but I'm excited about this one. Okay, next up, what do we have here? Oh, this is from the holiday collection last year, the Amore Mariposas, I think the Love Butterflies, something like that. This is in Recuerdos, an ultra matte lipstick. It's like a little baby tiny one. Maybe this is their full size lipstick. I got a lipstick last time that I really liked in shade Tease that was this size. Ooh, so I didn't buy any lipsticks from this collection just because honestly I have plenty of lipsticks, but I'm not mad to have it. This is a beautiful berry purple. Ooh, I have to show you guys this beautiful embossing. I know this collection has been highly discounted and on sale. It's even got it up here on the top. Hopefully you can see it there. That's very pretty. I like a purple lipstick personally. So I didn't pick this up. I did pick up the palette on sale, but I didn't pick up any of the rest of the collection. I kind of considered the blush palette, but ultimately skipped it. But yeah, I'm happy to have this as part of a mystery box. So far we have a cream blush light, an eyeliner, and a lipstick, and there is more to go. I think there's 3 more things in here that I feel, you guys. Next up, we have Perfectionist Lip Ultra Precision Lip Pencil. I'm very excited to get this. It looks like the same Mariposa's gold packaging because last time I had never tried their lip liners, and last time I got the mystery box, I did get 2 lip liners. Oh my gosh, I love them. I've at least halfway used them up. I use them really frequently, both alone and paired with other products. Oh, this is nice. This is felt on the inside. Melt, fancy. So this will probably go, I'm guessing, some sort of shade that goes with the lipstick. This is in shade Familia. Ooh, this looks like a dark brown. Very dark brown. I'm guessing just based on both the pencil and this one. Now this does not look like the same formula as the ones I got before. This looks more dry, to be honest. So we'll have to compare this lip formula with the other one at some point. But I have liked I think they were the All Day Everyday ones that I got before. This All Day Everyday line in the lip liners I got before that I like. And this is the Perfectionist Lip Ultra Precision. So we'll see, but I'll pair that lip liner with that lipstick to see how that goes. 2 more items. Okay, here we have the Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner. So this is one of the pots, like kind of what I thought I would be getting, but I got the pencil gel liner, whatever you want to call it, like in pencil form. So now this one looks like it's in pot form, and it is in Onyx, the Ultra Matte Gel Liner. I'll open it up and look at it, but honestly, guys, like I swatched the other one. I don't use that much liner, and I know some people use these. That looks very black and very nice. I know some people use these gel liners as bases on the eye. I don't know. I'm curious to touch it because it looks so soft, but I just don't know how much I'm going to use it. So I will think about it and whether I'm going to keep that or not, or whether I might pass this along to one of you guys in my next giveaway, this Ultra Matte Gel Liner. Because I have some liners, I've never used melts, but I have some pot ones from Lethal that were not my cup of tea, and I already am trying to use up those, so I don't know if I want to add any more of that style to my collection, but we'll think about it. Ooh! Okay guys, the palette is for last. It is not the She's and Parties or the Smoke Sessions, but it is one that I do not have. So we got the Rust palette. Wow, this is one of their bigger ones. I really thought they would have one of their smaller ones in here. I was not expecting, I thought maybe the Brunette or the Mary Jane, but I was not expecting the Rust palette. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is a very neutral palette, okay, but it's got some like yellows in it. Ooh, this Redox, that shimmer looks really pretty. So here is the Rust palette. I believe I've seen this in action on Raw Beauty Christie's channel before. I'm really happy about this, guys. Like, I know it's a neutral palette, but their mattes are so rich and nice, and I just love the contrast they have between the dark all the way to the light. And this is gonna be, I just know, and these shimmers actually look really good. I know melt shimmers usually aren't the best, but especially with glitter glue, they're generally nice. This looks like it's gonna be a really nice everyday palette. I'm really happy to have this, especially, like I said, one that isn't in my collection yet. So yeah, wow. And this just like this cool gold rust packaging. They really did well, I feel like, with the aesthetic on that one too. So cool, guys. So for $25, I mean, this alone for $25, and I didn't pay shipping. I'm thrilled. Okay, so we got 6 items. We got the palette, the cream blush light, the pot liner, the pencil liner, the lip liner, and the lipstick. Honestly, I feel like I did well. Like, these are the 4 things I'm excited about. The liner, the blush light, the lip liner, and the lipstick. I really don't care about these eyeliners. I don't, especially because, like I said, I pretty much just do shadow liner these days anyway. I swatched this liner, so I'll keep it and use that. And I probably will pass this one along to you guys just so that you can try an any brand if you would like to, or if you're someone that, like, you love a gel liner and you dip in every day, like I know I have before with like an angled brush like this, you know, dipped in, and it'll last forever to do a little black liner. But yeah, guys, that is all 6 items we got for $25 in this Melt Mystery Box. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this box. I think it was amazing, 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 amazing. It tempts me to get another one right away just because, wow, I just was not expecting the Rust palette. That really was not even on my radar as one that might be in there. Yeah. This makes me also feel better about the fact that I passed up on their Black Friday sale, because this definitely was a better deal, and I got some really cool... I'm gonna have to do a testing new products in my collection video soon with some of these. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that, because I could incorporate some of these with some other stuff in my collection that I have but haven't used yet. So that is all, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!